ग्रेटर हैदराबाद म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन हदूद में मच्छरों की अफजाइश को रोकने महकमे ने शिकंजा कस लिया। शहर हैदराबाद के मुख्तलिफ इलाकों में आए दिन मच्छरों की कसरत ने आवाम को परेशान कर रखा है। इस ज़िमन में GHMC ने बड़े पैमाने पर मुहिम का आगाज़ कर दिया। कोविड-19 की वबा के दौर में डेंगू और मलेरिया को रोकने के लिए इक़दाम किए जा रहे हैं और हर जोन में इजाफी अमले को तैनात कर दिया गया। डेंगू और मलेरिया के ख़तरे से दो चार इलाक़ों की निशानदही करते हुए स्प्रे के अलावा बेदारी मुहिम भी घर घर चलाई जा रही है और बड़े इलाक़ों में ड्रोन्स का भी इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा। इस सिलसिले में द हैदराबाद एक्सप्रेस के नुमाइंदे अब्दुल कदीर तहसीन से चीफ एंटोमोलॉजिस्ट GHMC डॉक्टर राम बाबू से ख़ास बातचीत की। नाजरीन आइए देखते हुए सुनते हैं।
Regarding the GHMC entomology, we started in the January itself. We created a calendar, health calendar. So, as per the health calendar, we started our work from January onwards. So, from there, we are doing our work in all zones and circles and divisions. First, as soon as we are receiving the positive cases, both from the private hospitals, from the government hospital, from e-portal system. So we are sharing the cases to the last point of that area. So these standard operational procedures, according to that standard operational procedure, we are attempting all the cases. So immediately in the next day, we will start the removing of the stagnation water and doing of the ALO operations and pyrethrum spray and evening fogging operation we are doing for the positive cases. So like that we are doing according to the pinpoint program, we are covering all the places. Next, we have taken the steps to prevent the disease of the vector-borne disease. First, we started the drone operations. Drone operations started in 2019. First, we are doing with the drones. We are covering all the zones of the lakes. So total, we are having the 180 lakes. And in that 180 lakes, 39 lakes are we are having the more water hyacinth. So we call the tenders and we are starting to remove the water hyacinth in all the lakes, selected lakes. And that is the first point. And second point, the fogging operations we are doing, as well as this fogging is not good for the health, but the people are asking more for the fogging. Then we are doing in all places, all slum areas and positive cases areas, we are doing the fogging operations. Totally we are having the 305 portable fogging machines and 64 vehicle mounted fogging machines, 1000 power sprayers and 812 non-stop sprayers we are having. So at present we are doing the both COVID-19 action plan and vector-borne action plan. So both we are doing, and as well as we are receiving regarding the COVID, as well as we are receiving the cases from the Director of Health, and we are sending our teams to all the places. So wherever the containment zone is there, we are doing the twice operations there, and we are covering up to 2 to 3 weeks. And regarding this COVID operations, we are also doing in the gatherings of the ATM centers and rice centers and banks, and even we are doing in the RTC buses also we are doing. So where there is a gathering, we are covering all this sodium hypochlorite spray, and also we are covering all the quarantine hospitals also we are covering. So we are in the shift system, we are sending our teams to all the quarantine hospitals, and where there is a positive cases and there is a negative and that following of that their house, we are taking the secondary and secondary contact also. There also we are doing these sodium hypochlorite spray. So and coming to the vector-borne disease, we are first we have taken the droning operations up to August. From August onwards, we are extended the drones operations up to October, and after that from November onwards we are calling the tenders, and we are taking the 11 drone missions for the covering of the anti-larval operations. We are covering the weekly ones. For these drones we are using in the lakes and Musi river we are doing the drones. And again, our honorable minister, municipal minister KTR sir introduced the Sunday 10 o'clock 10 a.m. for 10 minutes. We are continuing up to, this is the 11th Sunday we are continuing this. And another thing is we are doing the releasing the Gambusha fishes in 24 baby ponds and 7 other pockets also. And we are also releasing the oil balls in the dirty water itself. And moreover, we are more concentrating on the external breeding and internal breeding. External breeding means lakes and Musi river and nalas. We are concentrating on that. Where the Culex mastosa we are having the more. So we are having the special action plan for these lakes and Musi river. Musi river also we are having the 4 units. It is covering from the Bapu Ghat to the up to Nagol. So it is nearly 25 kilometers is there. We are covering. We are keeping 51 special teams for this. Each zone we are keeping 1 unit. 1 unit means we are having the 19 members. Both we are doing the anti-larval methods and drone operations and also fogging operations. So these we are doing. And another thing, where there is a vulnerable areas also, we are having 389 vulnerable areas also there. We are giving preference to in the vulnerable areas. We are doing ALO operations and fogging operations and removing of the stagnation water also. We are concentrating on the vulnerable areas. And another thing, recently fogging operations also we are doing one method. 2 innovators we are doing, one in the ALO method and second in the fogging method. Regarding ALO methods, we are going to removing the stagnation water where we found the larva. We are putting the red sticker. After removing of the larva and it is clear, we will follow for 2 to 3 weeks and we are putting for the green sticker in that. So there is no larva in that area, and we are also telling the local leaders to follow up that. And another thing is fogging also. We are doing one pilot project on fogging, because most of the people are complaining that the fogging operations are not going well in the areas and they are coming and going like that. So that's why we installed a fumigation fogging plant, so that we have taken the 64 vehicle mounted fogging machines and 10 portable fogging machine. We are one private sector is coming forward. They are installing the device in that. So with that action plan, we know the people where they are going rightly or not, because big fogging machines, it is going for it has to go for 18 to 20 kilometers and it has to cover for 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 2.5 hours. And another portable fogging machine is 1 kilometer up to 45 minutes. So when we starting this device of the fumigation action plan, so we will observe from the head office itself where the fogging machine is going, where the big fogging machine is going, where the small fogging machine is going. It is covering the 2.5 to 3 kilometers for big machine. It is covering 20 kilometers or not. Where it is stopping means we are getting the red marks. So otherwise it is green marks. Like that we are controlling this fogging machine also to do in the right way in the time limit or the using of these fuel also. So we are doing in the fogging machine, we have taken the innovative method in this. So regarding the increasing of the COVID cases and coming of the season, we are giving more manpower to all the zones. So recently Commissioner has given instruction to all the zones to take extra manpowers for the only COVID operations. So it should not be disturbed to these seasonal diseases. So for that COVID operations and each zone we are giving the 16 members for only purely for the COVID operations. Like that we have given 104 another the manpower, extra manpower to the all the zones, because they are calling the tenders there only. And the larvae sites also we are giving instructions to all the zonal level by the Commissioner to take the extra buffer stock also for the larvae sites and adult sites, and as well as the manpower also. Recently Commissioner sir has given instruction to overcome the problem of the vector-borne diseases and COVID-19 cases according to the Commissioner instructions.